express our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved pillars of our school, Vice Principal Lata Ma'am and Asha Ma'am, our respected geography teacher.
It is said that some people arrive and make such beautiful impact on our life. You can barely remember what life was like without them. Today, we gather to celebrate two such remarkable women whose presence has shaped this institution and inspired countless students.
Let us first start with the journey of our respected Vice Principal Ma'am, Lata Devanayagam Ma'am.
Born on 27th April 1966 in Sri Vaikuntham, Tirunelveli to Sri K. Ramasamy and Srimati K. Rajalakshmi, Lata Madam grew up in a humble middle-class household with three sisters raised in Madurai. She flourished despite limited comforts. She was not only academically inclined but also an exceptional athlete, winning several medals in track events and proudly represented on her college Kho team. Now I would like to invite tiny little students from primary.
Good morning everyone. My name is M. Vidula of class 5th A. We are here to celebrate incredible journey and dedicated service of our esteemed Vice Principal, Mrs. R. Lata Ma'am. On behalf of the entire PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya DGQ community, I want to express our sincere gratitude for your years of dedication and leadership. Our Vice Principal, Mrs. R. Lata Ma'am, shared many knowledgeable and moral stories suitable for our life and also support for many extracurricular activities. Mrs. Lata Ma'am created a positive school culture. Your commitment to student staff has been truly invaluable. As you embark on this new chapter, we wish you all the very best and hope your retirement is filled with joy and fulfillment. Thank you. This is the time for my classmate Ayush Mahato.
सुप्रभात प्रधानाचार्य, उपप्रधानाचार्य, प्रधानाध्यापिका, शिक्षक और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, आज हमारे विद्यालय PM श्री केंद्रीय विद्यालय DGQA के उपप्रधानाचार्य के अवसर का दिन है। आज हम बहुत ज़्यादा ही दुखी हैं, लेकिन वर्ष के अनुसार सबको ही अवसर लेना पड़ता है। उपप्रधानाचार्य ने हमें हर एक काम के उत्साहित किया है, हर एक काम में हमें मदद किया है और भी हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ किया है। उपप्रधानाचार्य हमारे क्लास में आते हैं और बातें करते हैं और असेंबली में हमारे साथ बहुत कुछ शेयर करते हैं। हम ये सब असेंबली के वक्त याद करेंगे और हम उनको भी बहुत ज़्यादा याद करेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak about our VP ma'am. Our Lata can quickly become an important and unforgettable part of our school. Her gentle style made the school atmosphere warmer and more welcoming. She is always there to help us. She always encourages and appreciates in our assembly program. She often reminds us that and honest speech reflects strong character. She has a special way of connecting with children. Presence and teaching will continue to guide us. Thank you. शब्दों का संसार सबसे विशाल होता है क्योंकि वही दिलों को छूते हैं और यादों में बसते हैं। सभी को नमस्ते। मैं कक्षा 5वीं का छात्र देयांश मिश्रा आज आपके सामने कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। लता मैम ने हमारे विद्यालय में वर्ष
கரெக்டாக இருக்கா?
यही हमारी शुभकामनाएं हैं। आपकी याद हमेशा हमारे साथ
இப்போ இங்கே போனேன்னு ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுவா. யார் இது பண்ணுறேன்?
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today
कोई
we are
வலிக்குதா?
going to visit our beloved vice principal, Lata ma'am, as she is retiring. Lata ma'am is one of the
और कहीं
kindest
बिटिच।
and most caring teachers we have ever met. She always smiles at us in the
Hey,
morning
hey.
and asks how we are doing.
அம்மா.
Whenever we made mistakes, she corrected us with so much
டேய்
love and care.
இருடா.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for everything you have done for us.
போகிறோம்.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Happy retirement. May your retirement be filled with joy, relaxation, and new adventures. Thank you.
Truly reflect the love we all
ஓகேயா?
In 1989, Ma'am married to Sri Devanayagam, who was working at Sundaram Fashions under TVS.
Just a photo.
With 2 young children, she managed both motherhood and her professional dreams. It was never easy. And in 1993, she entered the prestigious Kendriya Vidyalaya Samiti. Through countless hardships, the family reached Secunderabad, her first posting being
Yay. Oh.
Tirupati. That marked the beginning of truly inspiring careers. Now, let us invite Sajida from Class 6
Hey.
to share their heartfelt word for our respected Latana.
லட்சமா இருடா. அப்புறம் தான் நல்லா இருக்கும். கால் தெரியணும்னு ஒரு ரிச்சர்ட் சார். கால் தெரியணுமா?
Inspiration and dedication both are the invaluable role teachers play in shaping our future. Srimati R. Lata ma'am has been pillar of strength and wisdom at KVUK, having served as a postgraduate teacher in Congress and being a senior course teacher at our school. She brought a wealth of experience
எப்படி போடுறா? இப்படி போடுறா. கை பிடிக்கிறோம். போட்டு அப்படியே கூப்பிடு. அப்படியே கூப்பிடு. கண்ணுக்கு முன்னாடி எடுத்துட்டு வந்துருக்கு. ஏய் அப்படியே கூப்பிடுறா. வர்றா. ஐயோ அப்படிதான் இங்க அப்பா இதான் போட்டோ ஆல்ரெடி அப்படி அவங்க முடிச்சிட்டாங்கன்னா இது அமுக்கிடு. அவங்க மறுபடியும் ஆரம்பிக்கும் போது இது சீக்கிரம் வந்துடும்.
We wish you all the best in your retirement. May you days filled with joy, happiness, and new adventures. We wish you happiness, good health, and fulfillment as you embark on your next chapter of your life. May success and joy accompany you wherever you go. Thank you, ma'am, for everything.
This is that yourself.
She served across multiple schools in Hyderabad. With a heartfelt request, she came to Chennai. Even as the pandemic unfolded, she stood strong. In 2023, she gracefully took the role of vice principal at KVUK. And now, in April 2025, she completes her service with unmatched dignity.
Dear Latana, your unwavering devotion, your resilience, and your quiet strength have inspired us all. You have been more than a vice principal. You have been a mentor, a motherly figure, and a symbol of patience and resilience. Now I would like to give the mic to Abhisha and Rakshana from class 12.
We move on to our beloved geography teacher, L.R. Ashama.
A teacher who fills the classroom not only with maths and facts, but with love, passion, and purpose.
Born in heart of Tamil Nadu, Madurai, on 16th May 1965 to Srimati L.R. Savitri and Sri L.K. Rajram. Ashana was raised in a home that valued education and compassion. Her father was a principal in the government art college and her mother a devoted housemaker. She completed her schooling across Tanjavur, Tiruchi and Madurai, later pursued MSc and MPhil in geography from Madurai Kamaraj University, where she was a gold medalist in MSc.
Her academic brilliance and gentle leadership made her not only a teacher, but a lifelong learner and achiever.
Now I would like to welcome Yashika and Akshara of class 8B to share their heartfelt tribute to Ashana.
We are students of class 8B. Myself Yashika.
Myself, G. Akshara.
Today we are going to give a speech on our dear Asha ma'am.
Dear Ashana, we are going to miss you so much, ma'am. You have taught us more than just history, geography, civics. You have shown how to understand this world. Your passion and patience have made learning fun, and we are grateful for it.
Your passion for teaching and dedication to your cause has made long-lasting impact. Your lessons went beyond textbooks. You taught us about life, empathy, and understanding. Your guidance helped us to grow not just academically but also individually.
Thank you for being an amazing teacher, mentor, and a friend. We will always remember your engaging lesson. You deserve all the best, and we wish you a wonderful journey ahead.
Once again,
Thank you for being a
wonderful teacher.
Ma'am began her inspiring journey in 1989 at Tiruvallur Academy, Sriperumbudur, followed by VFC School until 1995. She then joined Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 2 Bangalore, and over the next 3 decades served with love, excellence in various branches of Kendriya Vidyalaya. Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT Chennai, Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 1 Madurai, Kendriya Vidyalaya Kottayam, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sandra, Kendriya Vidyalaya Tamil, and finally our school, Kendriya Vidyalaya DGPH Chennai.
Her KVS journey spans an increased 29 years, 6 months and 10 days, a lifetime of dedicated service.
Now I would welcome Harini from class 9B.
Myself Harini from class 9B. We are here today to celebrate the retirement of a truly amazing teacher, L.R. Asha ma'am. Thank you for all your dedication and hard work over the years. We are so grateful to your guidance and making learning so enjoyable. We want to thank you for your patience, kindness, and your unwavering support. You were more than just a teacher, you were a mentor, a friend, and a role model for all of us. We wish you all the very best in your retirement, and we hope you enjoy this next chapter with your family and pursue your passions. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
This extraordinary woman stands a family that supports her through it all. Her husband, Mr. Jayadashtan, served as an assistant in the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments Department, Madurai. She has two sisters, L.R. Kavita and L.R. Satyaka, both accomplished professionals.
Her elder daughter Kritika is a B.Tech biomedical graduate from BIT, but chose to pursue her passion as a Bharatanatyam artist and runs Natya Patrai, a dance school that also offers free coaching to children from underprivileged areas in Tamil Nadu.
Kritika is married to a talent guitarist, a founder of Akira Music Academy. Her younger daughter completed BEC from KCG College of Technology and is now a journalist at the Indian New Express with a PG in journalism from Asian College of Journalism.
Now I would like to welcome Inya and Ramya from class 12 to speak a few words about the educational journey.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Ramya, and myself, Inia, are here today to bid a farewell to a teacher who has been more than a guide and who has helped us grow and inspired us in every possible way. That's none other than our Asha ma'am. Ma'am, your geography
explore the world and for your patience and guidance. We'll miss your enthusiasm and the way you made learning fun. Thank you for not only teaching us geography but also for instilling in us important moral values. Your guidance has shaped us and we will always remember your lessons. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors.
We love you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Is not only a teacher but a soul with deep spiritual and emotional wisdom. She has studied pranic healing up to PG level and Buddhist Nama feral practices. She uses meditation and mystic healing to help others in need. She was once a proud pet mother to her German Shepherd Anora, and now she shares her love with Chiku. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Kanchanama.
Our final speaker, Vinisha, from class 12.
As Maya Angelou once said, people will forget what you said to them. People will forget what you did to them. But they will not forget how you made them feel. This quote perfectly sums up what today means to us. Good morning, everyone. Today, as we gather here to bid farewell to our dearest teacher, Asha Ma'am, a cloud of emotion takes over me. Asha Ma'am, there was a period of time when hearing this word itself would make us frightened. Each of us have heard from our seniors about Asha Ma'am being such a strict teacher. But only after we talk to her do we get to know her true, soft nature. Her unwavering passion and love towards her job is what I think keeps her running at full speed despite all struggles and challenges. But now the time has come for her to pass, take a deep breath and walk gracefully into the new chapter of her life. Asha Ma'am, you're truly an inspiring soul and all-rounder. If anyone would ask me what's the most favorite part of my schoolhood was, I would say it was the youth parliament trip to Avadi with you, ma'am. Those 2 days were nothing short of a bliss. We didn't see a teacher, we saw a guardian and a friend, a well-wisher indeed. Ma'am is a perfect therapy. Each time we roam around the school, tells about anything. The ever-smiling face of Asha Ma'am would destroy all our stress in one go. Asha Ma'am would notice even the slightest change in our face and inquire about it. Thank you, Ma'am. There is no meaning of difference in the books of Asha Ma'am. We know she talks so calmly, kindly, happily with everyone in the school. Everyone, may it be primary or secondary, school staffs, office staffs, sanitary helpers, or students. Everybody is equal and same for Ma'am. Don't know, Ma'am, how many of them would think like you. Tears are about to flow out of my eyes to realize the moment has finally come. The moment for which we are not ready to face but have got to. It's very sad and depressing to imagine there will be no one to call us Kanna in the school. There will be no voices heard in the corridors. There will be no laughter heard in the staff room. The child which belonged to the most charming teacher ever will be void from tomorrow. But we understand the fact that you need rest and we wish you a very happy and healthy retirement. Thank you so much for everything, ma'am.
I would like to welcome Kanchanama.
Those were the questions of all the children of PMGKVDP today. And as it goes without saying that it is heartrending, we also wish them lots of many more happy moments. When it comes to Lata ma'am, deep down she is a teacher first, then an administrator. We have seen her both as a teacher and as an administrator in this school. When I was listening to all the primary class children, everyone can understand how much she has touched the hearts of these tiny tots, how much they feel that madam is leaving. It's almost every period that I can see her going round to all the classes, giving suggestions, talking to children, and the patience and the smile on her beautiful face. And now that they won't be there, the corridors, the staff rooms will not go along with their smile and their eyes. Before I would like to request them here for their blessings, I would like to call on stage all the class 12 children they have put up a small memento, and I would like our honorable principal ma'am to honor them with a shawl, a memento, and they also have prepared a beautiful memento for madam, which I will be showing to all of you. Yes. I request ma'am, honor them. This is it, children. All of you can see? Yes. That's ma'am with a smiling face. And Asha ma'am. Okay? Yes. Both class 12, Naren, now hold it. First, so, girls come forward. Come, let's go. Yes, first they have welcomed ma'am with the scout and guide, and also yesterday we had a nice community lunch. A sumptuous meal was spread for both the teachers, and today they have put up a beautiful show of love and respect for these two outgoing teachers. Class 12 have been working tirelessly to make this day a memorable one for both the teachers. That's Asha ma'am. Yes, that's and class 2 children, and you one with the gift. Side, go that side, children. Yes. Yes. Open it. Open it. Class 12 has been tirelessly putting the things together. I would like to thank on behalf of our honorable principal ma'am and other staff members and students. Class 12. This beautiful piece will decorate their living room and will be reminded of PMC KVDP every day without fail. Yes, that's a very beautiful piece. Yes. We are honored to honor now. Yes, I request madam to do the honor of opening it.
அனிஷ் போட்டு
Yes, that's a beautiful painting of Lord Kanna. So, Madam knows Kanna. Now that she will not be with the little Kannas here at the school, she has to see this. Good day. Yes, beautiful paintings. Yes, without further ado, now I would like to request Asha ma'am to shower her bountiful blessings on all of us.
ஏய் இதான் வேணும் போயிடுறா இப்படி இதான் வேணும் அனீஷ்
Good morning, school.
அனீஷ்
Thank you, Kanna. Sorry for taking your time. It's very hot. Respected. Hello. Respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, my dear colleagues, and my beloved children. Just I want to say thank you. Thank you for arranging such a wonderful farewell. I see my children are all there in the hot sun. And moreover, nothing is there coming from my heart now. I really want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. That's all. If anything I have done wrong for anyone, hurting you, kindly forgive me. Thank you for one and all. Thank you. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
I am feeling really honored to stand here and take all your wishes. I just want to say few words. ज़्यादा आपको बताऊंगी नहीं. I know you are hot sun. Some of you are perspiring. Advices you don't like. Do you like advices? Yes or no? I just don't want to give up. I just want to quote Swami Vivekananda's few lines. Will you listen to me? Yes. He says, take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it. Dream of it. Live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea. And just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. What does it say? It says that take one idea as your goal in life. Do you all have a goal in life? Do you all have a goal?
Yes, ma'am.
Have an idea and work on that one idea only. To reach the goal, what do you need? What do you need to reach a goal? Hard work. Yes, somebody is saying hard work. Do hard work. God will bless you with all riches. Thank you so much for all your love and affection. Okay, I'm really honored. Thank you so much. I just want to say two lines for you. Will you listen? வாழிய சந்தனி வாழ்தல
போட்டோ இல்லையா?
வாழிய பாரத
இந்த இது அனுப்பிச்சு போட்டோ